Our steel gutter stop ends are external and also feature a rubber seal. So to install them, press the stop end in place either by hand or using a soft hammer. The rear top tab should then be bent around the back of the gutter. Now we find it easiest to clamp this down using a pair of water pump pliers, although be careful and use a cloth to avoid scratching your gutters. Now once clamped, we recommend using a small bead of silicone around the inside of the gutter at the joint to ensure that it's completely watertight. You can find out more information on our website, which can be found below in the description. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to pop us an email, give us a call, or leave a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Now thanks very much for watching, and we hope to see you again soon.